This repair is 40 years old. There's not a speck of rust. There's nothing. It's like I did it yesterday. See, there's a hole where I ground the filler out. The little round spots, that's a dead giveaway that somebody, in this case me, used a snatch bar and drilled the holes and then pulled it out. I guarantee if you go on Google right now and Google that, you're going to find people saying it's horrible, don't do it, it's butchery. And in 2025, you know what, they're probably right. I was a body man back in the 80s and then up into the 90s, and then I've been doing it ever since, off and on, as a hobby. I fixed a lot of cars, I've wiped a lot of gallons of Bondo. This was right in the time of transition. Stud guns were just starting to come out. We bought a stun gun in one of the shops I was in, and none of us liked it. This is my dad's 1969 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. I painted this truck twice. In the early 80s, we painted it green, which was the factory color. Then in the later 80s, I painted it red. My repair from 40 years ago is right here. Let me get you in close and I'll show you. The filler hasn't turned loose. It's a great repair 40 years later. This thing can survive 40 more years. People tell you you can't do this because it's going to rust from the backside and get moisture under it. All that is true if you do a shabby repair. If you do terrible panel prep, if you use crappy filler, if you don't properly get it on there, if you do all the things you're not supposed to do, then yeah, that could happen. If you look in here, the little telltales where the filler comes through, it comes through the hole, squeezes through and sticks right there. If you see that inside a panel somewhere, you know 1000% that's how they did it. But I did transition away from, once I drilled the holes, and I would weld them back up. So anyway, that's what this was all about. I just wanted to show you. You can do it. It does work. You know, the armchair warrior crowd, I won't argue with them because they're not going to believe me anyway. That's fine. I'm not here to make those guys mad. I'm just saying look, I was a body man. I did this every day. We all did it the same way. Believe me. I worked with some real butchers. I'm telling you. We had one guy. We called him Abdullah the Butcher. He was so bad. But I also worked with some really good body men, and I had some really good body men teach me. And I'm a perfectionist. I don't like to do crappy work. So I want you to see it. You know, if you guys see this and agree with me, you know, drop a comment or a like, or if you don't agree with me, that's your prerogative. We're in 2025, so I understand now that it's not cool to do this anymore, and everybody's buying the stud guns. I don't have a stud gun. Don't plan on buying one. I'm doing this in my shop on my stuff. If I had a customer car come in, I'd do it the same damn way. I'd weld the holes up and move on. So anyway, that's me. I'm Cookster. If you like this, if you watch some of my other videos, you know, drop me a like, comment, subscription, all that good stuff. And I will catch you guys on the flip side. Happy fill a dent hole Bondo thing. I don't know. Bye, y'all. See you later.